Ebuka Obi. I just want to, because a lot of people have been sending me videos since yesterday. I just want to say to the world, Elisha was helped by a woman. Woman asked Elisha, gave him accommodation, gave him food. But Elisha never knew that that woman was barren. He never knew. As powerful as Elisha was, God did not show to him that that woman was barren. So when he finally discovered, he said, and God hid it from me. So do not think that prophets are almighty set of people. Don't be everything. Nobody would see. A lot of people are saying Ebuka will be na regime. That man is a genuine prophet from God. I don't know why it's difficult for people to understand. That somebody gave a testimony and the testimony did not go well. People are saying he arranged the testimony. No. No. Ebuka Obi did not arrange that testimony. That he did not see it is not his fault. Not be everything we go see. Not be everything we go see. For you to know that God is truly with that man. That is why that lady that came to give that fake prophecy was captured and exposed. Assuming God is not with him, that lady will just give that testimony and everything will just go. But for God to prove to you that truly he is my servant, I called him. That was why that lady was caught and was exposed. So those of you raining insults, saying no manner of things against the servant of God, should please stop it. Stop it. You want to tell me that the millions of people that are in Zion ministry are there because of our regime? No, now. No. They went to blessed memory, late Archbishop Benson Idahosa, and they said to him, there is a young man in Lagos. He's doing miracle. He's a fake prophet. His name is TB Joshua. And he said to them, if he's fake, give him 7 years. He will expire. Before he died, in ministry was 37 years old. Please, stop accusing Ebuka Obi. Stop insulting him. Stop saying things that are not correct. Okay? That man is called by God. Whatever happened there, happened because God wanted to prove to the world that he truly called him. So stop all the bloggers insulting Ebuka. The one that pays me most here. Now still his old people, and then they do all this. Igbo people. Now Igbo people, and then they post that video up at the Igbos. Before Igbo man go rule Nigeria, una go do like this. You know why? Now, most of the Igbo people, their mind is too corrupt. They will see their brother, their own brother, killer, destroyer, bury him. If they bury your brother, what will be your gain? Say they carry Ebuka Obi now, they buy and bury him. What will be your gain as an Igbo man? Some Igbo people, they get shame. They get shame for I. You are ready to tear your own down. How do you see Yoruba people tearing their own down? I will say how they tear their own. Even we will be south side or how they tear their own. Only Igbo. May God deliver the Igbo in Nigeria. When I say amen for there, I know something there. Now leave Ebuka Obi alone. No. Anybody that will talk to that man again, that will insult that man again, you will purge for 41 days. If you not purge, you know say God don't come. You go begin the purge, you go the shit for body, you go shit so it test go come outside.
I know that some of you might have watched this video now. Now, I want to throw more light on this video now that this man just did. What do we expect from him is his fellow colleague. So it will do anything possible best to protect him. That one apart. Then number two, involving Igbo in this thing you are saying now is totally unacceptable. You understand? We are not the only one that posted it. You understand? We are not the only one that many people posted it. You understand? So remove Igbo person, Igbo this thing on this thing. Before you know that they when they saw. Very, very important. And we are not here to bring Ebuka Obi down. Ebuka Obi akurugo or no akurugo. You understand? Even if I can make I bring her down. That is most important thing. It could be for John Maduji, the name of Christianity and all name. Some of you will come and be saying that we are trying to bring this person down, bring this person down. So far be it. No, we are as in we are now to Akaibona and say Meteo Kwesi retreat in step. That is the only thing we are doing. We are not trying to stop him, and we get that into your mind. Peace and love.